Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject as English. Dear students, today we will start unit 3 inshallah. This is lesson 1, listen and speak. Let's get started our lesson. They are foods and drinks. Okay, look at. They are all foods and drinks. Tell me, what is this? This is an ice cream. And what are they? They are mangoes. Okay, what is this? This is meat. And what are they? They are bananas. What are they? They are beans. Yes. What are they? They are eggs. What are they? They are sweets. I know you like to eat sweets. And what is this? It is milk. It is a box of milk. And what is this? It is cola. It is a bottle of cola. What is this? It is water. It is a bottle of water. What is this? Orange juice. I like orange juice. Do you like it? This is a bottle of orange juice. Now read all these words. Mangoes, mangoes, meat, meat, beans, beans, ice cream, ice cream. Repeat after me. X, X, cola, cola, milk, milk, sweets, sweets, bananas, bananas, water, 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 orange juice, orange juice, orange juice. Okay, do practice reading of all these words. Okay, this is a boy. He asked some questions to Tom. Okay, here he asked Tom, what do you want to drink, Tom? He asked, what do you want to drink, Tom? Again, what do you want to drink, Tom? And Tom replies, I want some water, please. I want some water, please. I want some water, please. Here, this boy asks Tom, what do you want to drink, Tom? And Tom replies, I want some water, please. I want some water, please. Now here this boy asks Tom, and what do you want to eat? And what do you want to eat? This boy asks Tom, and what do you want to eat? Tom replies, some sweets, please. Some sweets, please. Tom likes to eat sweets, so he replies, some sweets, please. Some sweets, please. Okay, here this boy asks Tom, and what do you want to eat? Tom replies, some sweets, please. Now I want to ask you, what do you want to eat? I ask you, what do you want to eat? They are the name of foods. Okay, mangoes, bread and sweets. If you want to eat mangoes, you reply, I want some mangoes, please. I want some mangoes, please. I ask you, what do you want to eat? You reply, hurry up. Reply me. Yes, you are right. I want some mangoes, please. If you like to eat bread and you want bread, and I ask you, what do you want to eat? You reply, I want some bread, please. I want some bread, please. What do you want to eat? I want some bread, please. Now, if I ask you, what do you want to eat? And you want to eat sweets, you reply, I want some sweets, please. I want some sweets, please. I want some sweets, please. Okay? If I ask you, what do you want to drink? They are the names of drinks, milk, mango juice and water. Milk, mango juice and water. And if you want to drink milk, you reply, some milk please. You reply me, some milk please. What do you want to drink? Some milk please. What do you want to drink? Some milk please. What do you want to drink? If you want to drink mango juice, you reply, some mango juice, please. What do you want to drink? Some mango juice, please. And if I ask, what do you want to drink? And you want to drink water, okay? You reply me, some water, please. Some water, please. What do you want to drink? Some water, please. Okay? Have you understood? Good. Do practice. Now, B question. Listen to your teacher. Draw lines to make correct sentences. Again, I am reading. Listen to your teacher. Draw lines to make correct sentences. And you know, I am a teacher here. Okay, you are listening to me. Okay, first we read all these phrases. Ali wants to. Repeat. Ali wants to. Ali wants to. Sarah wants to. Sarah wants to. Sarah wants to. Fiza wants to. Fiza wants to. Fiza wants to. Here, read. Drink some water. Drink some water. Drink some water. Go home. Go home. Go home. Swim in the river. Swim in the river. Swim in the river. Reading is very important for you. So now listen to me carefully what I say. Ali wants to swim in the river. This has been done for you. Okay. Now listen. Number 2. Sarah wants to drink some water. Listen to me carefully. Sarah wants to drink some water. Now tell me where you match. Wants to drink some water or wants to go home? What? Yes, you are right. Sarah wants to drink some water. Here you have to match. Sarah wants to drink some water. Sarah wants to drink some water. Now you match. Okay. Now number 3. Fiza wants to go home. Listen to me carefully. Fiza wants to go home. Fiza wants to go home. Now you have to match. Fiza wants to go home. Fiza wants to go home. Now match. This is very easy for you. Okay. Now C question is very interesting. Here you can see a poem, a song. Okay. Sing this song, the alphabet. Name of the song, the alphabet. Now listen to me carefully. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. H I J K. H I J K L M N O P. L M N O P. H I J K L M N O P. Q R S. Q R S T U V. Q R S T U V. W X Y and Z. A B C D E F G. H I J K L M N O P. Q R S T U V. W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Join the animals and sing with me. Join the animals and sing with me. Now I know my ABC. Join the animals and sing with me. Again listen. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Join the animals and sing with me. Now I am going to talk to your parents. Guidelines for parents. Ask number 1. Ask these questions to your child and then get replies from him or her. यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन जो हमने पीछे प्रैक्टिस किए हैं. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू ईट एंड व्हाट डू यू वांट टू ड्रिंक. ये बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं. घर में आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करवा सकते हैं. आप पूछ सकते हैं कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू ईट. वो रिप्लाई में आई वांट सम butter please, I want some bread please, I want some sweets please, I want some mangoes please, I want some ice cream please. What do you want to drink? अब यहाँ आई वॉन्ट को स्किप किया गया, छोड़ दिया गया. शॉर्ट में ये भी कह सकते हैं आप कि आई वॉन्ट अगर यूज़ नहीं करना तो वो डायरेक्ट बता दें, सम वाटर प्लीज़, सम कॉफ़ी प्लीज़, सम टी प्लीज़, ओके, सम ऑरेंज जूस, सम मैंगो जूस प्लीज़. Number two, ask the child to complete the question A and B in his her book. A और B क्वेश्चन को बुक में करवा लीजिए, इसको सॉल्व आप बच्चे से. नंबर थ्री, ask the child to learn the poem in C by heart. जैसे पोएम हमने पढ़ी है उसी तरह आप प्रैक्टिस करवा दें, और उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा पढ़ सकती हैं या पढ़ सकते हैं आप तो वो उसकी प्रैक्टिस करवा दीजिए, बच्चों को वो ज़ुबानी याद हो जाए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.